Feeling the aftershocks of trauma? Your gut might hold the key. Trauma can leave its mark, not just emotionally, but physically too. Did you know our gut health is linked to how we cope with stress and anxiety? Here's the science. Our gut houses trillions of bacteria, good and bad. A healthy balance keeps our mood and immune system in check. Trauma can disrupt this balance, leading to inflammation and impacting mental well-being. Enter probiotics. These good guys can help restore gut balance by reducing inflammation linked to stress and anxiety, supporting the production of mood-boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin, strengthening the immune system, which can take a hit during trauma recovery. Probiotics aren't a magic bullet, but they can be a powerful tool. Look for them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and kombucha, or supplements. Talk to your doctor to find the right one for you. Let's heal from the inside out.